Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? Good, because we're back with another amazing video, you guys. So we have a delicious southern recipe, and it's a cabbage recipe. So if you're ready for this video, come on in the kitchen. So guys, what we have today is some ham and cabbage easy recipe, you guys, and we're gonna cook with chicken broth. Okay, so we can title this, I guess, southern cabbage cooked with chicken broth, something to that nature. Okay, but anywho, you guys, if you're a first time viewer, thank you. If you're a long time rider, I appreciate you more. So, with that being said, if you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting on? Come on in and help your girl with her channel. So, anywho, we're going to start off. I already got my pot heating, right? I got it on a medium-low heat. And I'm just going to use, now this is some old cooking oil. You know how you collect it around your house. Not around your house, but in your kitchen. From them old southern recipes that you done created. So I just put me some oil in there because I just want to fry my ham up, right? So now we have some chunk ham, you guys. Chunk ham. Wait a minute. I'm sorry about that adjustment. The little one is kind of busy. Wait 1 minute, you guys. Okay, she's been moved. So we're just going to go ahead and put that ham right on in there, right? And we're going to brown this ham. I know I shouldn't be using this pot, and this spoon. So I'm going to reach over here and get me a plastic spoon because I don't want it to get on some of you guys' nerves. Okay? So, we're just going to go ahead and let this ham do its thing. Now, I must say, if I was using onions, I will also start it off with the onions, okay? But this recipe, I'm not using onions or any veggies. But because I just definitely want the ham and the cabbage, right? And like I say, you guys, if you watched the last video, I think it was, I told you I got a lot of chicken broth around me. So I figured, why not bring this recipe? So we're just going to let this brown and do its thing. So okay, guys, we have let this cook somewhat. Let me switch over here. I got a lot of stuff on the stove because with the little one, I got to make it quick. So we cooked our ham down. Now this will make a great recipe to cook. Now I have some cabbage right here. All of this cabbage has been washed and dried, basically. So we're just going to go ahead and add this cabbage right on in here, right? Okay. And we're going to let this cabbage cook on down before we add our little chicken broth, right? Because we got a lot of cabbage, right? Because it doesn't really matter if you let it cook down and then add the chicken broth. You could just add your chicken broth and keep it moving because that's a southern cabbage recipe, right? So, with that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and put as much on here as I can because cabbage and all of that makes its own water. This makes a great dinner meal. Yes, definitely a one-pot meal, okay? So we're just going to let that gonna do a thing. I know, I'm overstuffing the pot, but that's okay. Right? That's okay. If you're new to the channel, please go check out some of my videos. I will really appreciate it. And we're just going to go on here and we're going to put our first seasoning on it. We're going to use some garlic powder, right? Now you can add as much garlic powder as you like. I don't like to give out measurements. And we're going to use some black pepper. Cabbage is one quick meal you can prepare for your family. Yes. And this is onion powder. Just like that. That's why I didn't use the real onions. Now when you cooking, sometimes it's like your food talk to you, right? So I hear the sizzling and everything going on. It's just dancing and marrying in this pot. That's some soul food seasoning that I just used. Now, believe it or not, this particular seasoning will boost up any veggie recipe. Try it. Let me know. And that is some steak seasoning. I learned that years ago, right? Steak seasoning will spice up any recipe that you have. Always remember that, you guys. Always remember that. So I'm going to put the lid on and I'm going to let it do its thing. Just like that. And turn it down. And we'll be back. Okay, let's go in here. And we're going to pour from the bottom to the top. Where she go? Come here, Dad. Okay, sorry about that, you guys. But we're going to pull our way from the bottom to the top. Because now we want to incorporate the seasoning, right? The seasoning. Because like I say, bring it all the way from the bottom to the top. See, I'm bringing the ham up. Yes. Now, this is one of my family favorite recipes, you guys, that I just love to share with you. So if you like this video, share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. Easy recipes for beginner cookers that you can enjoy. Now, oh, excuse me, you guys, I'm belching. We're going to use some chicken broth. Now, it doesn't matter what brand you have, but as you guys can see, I have some chicken broth. And I just want to pour it over in here. Now, I figure this is basically a little over a half. I don't know in the measurement, but I think this would be enough for mine. Because I only had one little medium cabbage, right? Let's see how much juice it made. Because I like cabbage and greens with just enough juice. Can y'all see down in there? Let me lean you forward. So follow me. Just like that. So we're just going to go ahead and let this cabbage do its thing, right? And we got us some delicious cornbread baking in the oven to go with it. Because I wanted a quick and simple meal, you guys. A budget-friendly meal. Because the cabbage wasn't anything but something like $1, $2. And the ham I already had. But it still was a budget meal. Cheap meal. affordable meal, a nutritionist meal for sure. Okay. So, yeah, you got all of that into this one pot. So, fam, we have some crushed red peppers, and we're going to spice it up, right? Just like that. I don't want to put too many in there. Wait a minute, y'all. My little one touching the camera. Yes. I'm going to spice it up a little bit. Y'all see that meat popped out that pot. We're going to put it right back in there. Because that's what we do. Check it out. Now we just got a little more cooking to go on here. You don't want to cook your cabbage too much, but then you don't want to undercook it either. So you want that special bite. At least I do. So there you have it, you guys. Check out this delicious pot of ham and cabbage. Yes, you could call it a soup, a ham cabbage soup. You guys check it out. Now it is perfect for those cold wintry days. Some good old southern comfort food, right in one pot meal. You guys check it out. Let's see. Who wants some? Huh? Look at the ham chunks in here. Every bite will have a ham chunk. Yes, you guys. So, I hope you enjoyed this recipe enough to like, comment, and share this recipe with everyone. And we have some golden cornbread right here. Golden cornbread to go with your meal. So that will complete this video, you guys. Check it out and enjoy your pot of cabbage soup. It's heart healthy, and you can't go wrong with it, especially with a healthy recipe like this. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. Sending much love from my house to yours. Bye.